Is it time to buy or sell Oklo stock? In this video, we will explore Oklo in greater detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 23rd of July, 2025, and we are here now to provide an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You will not want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and access free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 3rd of July, 2025, our system has identified Oklo as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 4.55. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 24.9% since we first designated Oklo as a buy candidate 14 days ago. This equates to an average return of 1.78% per day since its classification as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are anticipated. The current 3-month trend implies a potential increase of 146.53% over the next 3 months, with a likely return ranging between 124.02% and 161.58%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of 245.12%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 70.53% to 258.55% over the next year. In today's terms, this would imply a future price lying between $114.20 and $240.12. Our latest daily update for Oklo includes the headline, High Volatility in Oklo Incorporated Stock Price on Wednesday, which ended trading at $66.97. The Oklo Incorporated stock price gained 9.21% on the last trading day, Wednesday, the 23rd of July, 2025, rising from $61.32 to $66.97. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 10.96% with a day low at $63.14 and a day high of $70.06. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 24.18% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 18 million more shares were traded than the day before, with a total of 33 million shares bought and sold for approximately $2.22 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $73.55. While the lowest price was $5.35. Currently, the price is 8.95% or $6.58 below the 52-week high of $73.55, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Oklo has surged nearly 15% after announcing a significant strategic alliance with Liberty Energy. This partnership is aimed at providing integrated power solutions for high-demand clients, such as data centers and industrial facilities. The collaboration merges Oklo's advanced nuclear power technology, specifically the Aurora reactors that utilize recycled nuclear waste, with Liberty's gas generation capabilities. Together, they aim to create a reliable power bridge to nuclear energy. CEO Jacob DeWitt emphasized that this partnership addresses urgent energy demands, particularly within the artificial intelligence sector, which requires robust energy solutions to maintain operations. The positive market reaction indicates heightened investor optimism, further bolstered by an upgraded price target from Citigroup, which has raised expectations for Oklo's future valuation. In the short term, this alliance is likely to enhance investor confidence, potentially driving up stock prices as market participants look forward to increased revenue opportunities. However, since Oklo is still in the early stages of development and is not yet generating revenue, caution is advised for potential investors. In the long term, if the collaboration proves successful and Oklo begins to fulfill its promises, it could position the company as a significant player in the energy sector, potentially stabilizing and increasing its stock value over time. Analyst ratings. On Sunday, the 20th of July, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Oklo a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of July, 2025, Cantor Fitzgerald reported giving Oklo an overweight rating with an initiate action. On Friday, the 11th of July, 2025, Daiwa reported a hold rating for Oklo accompanied by an initiate action. On Monday, the 23rd of June, 2025, Craig Hallam reported a hold rating for Oklo with a downgrade action. On Thursday, the 12th of June, 2025, Wedbush gave Oklo an outperform rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Oklo stock a general sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book value as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Oklo. The Oklo Incorporated stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between the two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at $64.61 and $58.06. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. As the volume rises alongside the price, this is deemed a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, July 18, 2025, and currently the stock has declined by 2.91%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is identified. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 4 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 9 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 50 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 42 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Oklo. Oklo Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $64.48. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. This stock tends to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. The wide prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band signifies that this stock is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $6.92 between its high and low, which represents a change of 10.96%. In the past week, the daily average volatility for the stock has been 8.93%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Oklo, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is facing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can encounter downturns, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profits and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of the year 2025 is anticipated on the 12th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at negative 12 cents. Keep a close eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Oklo. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Oklo is at $67.17. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be an opportunity to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Oklo faces its first support level at $64.48. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Oklo from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let us examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by DeWitt Jacob, who bought and sold 410,464 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 19.786. In total, insiders acquired 73,711,220 shares and disposed of 34,987,339 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $63.90, representing a decrease of 4.59%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, contributing to a higher level of risk. A sell signal has been indicated from a pivot top that was identified 3 days ago. Is Oklo stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators combined with a generally positive trend suggest that the current price may represent a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for Oklo Incorporated stock to perform well in the near future. After assessing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current stock price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 24th of July, we anticipate that Oklo will open lower by approximately 24 cents and begin trading at $66.72. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to be responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to show your support by liking and subscribing. We wish you successful trading, and we hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.